Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Dock and Tin Works. How y'all doing? I got this 395XP clone from Holzfforma, the Blue Thunder that's orange. I got one tank through it, and we got this frozen elm. Let's see how she does. Well, she cooled off. From the factory. Just running it as is from the factory. With a 32-inch bar from Samara, 3/8 pitch, 63 gauge. All right, friends, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks. Catch you next time.